Ramsbottom Kitchen Company. Once you walk through the door, you'll enjoy being there. The atmosphere is welcoming, helpful, yet relaxed. Everything is clearly displayed in state-of-the-art kitchen settings that mirror the brilliant appliances, so that you can see just what they'd look like in your home. Left to browse as long as you like, but when you're ready, experts will be on hand to answer all your questions. Visit the award-winning Ramsbottom Kitchens, 21 Union Street, Ramsbottom, putting the heart into your kitchen.